Ooh, my ear is a-ringing. Who is a-talking? Hey guys, it's Jessie, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Teamiblends Restore-Destress Powder. Before we get into that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I feel so just odd saying that, but you know, as a YouTuber, you just kind of got to say it. So just help me out, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. What is Teamiblends Restore? It is a dietary supplement that helps you recharge and helps you balance your body and mind. As you mix it into boiling water, you notice that it'll fizz. That's completely normal, and it's not going to affect the drink at all, nor is it going to be a fizzy drink. This supplement is great for your bedtime routine because it helps you unwind and de-stress. It's packed full of vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium. The supplement is made without artificial colors, sweeteners, or flavors, so for one, it's not going to be like a sweet drink if you're curious on that, but it's also not going to be bitter. I don't know if you remember as a kid, if you're, you know, my age, the drink Tang that, you know, it was like an orange citrus drink that you mixed in with just water, and it was just, I don't know, like an orange drink. That's the most I can. This highly resembles that taste of it. And if you didn't like it, then you may not like this, but I actually really enjoyed that. Now I'm rambling. Anyway, this supplement is 10 times better than that drink Tang because honestly, I don't know what's in that. I know what's in this. This is full of vitamin C, magnesium, and calcium. The magnesium and the calcium helps muscles and nerves function properly, and it's also been known to help with anxiety and depression because it helps calm you and relaxes you. I've been using this supplement for, honestly, a little bit over a month now, and I'm almost out. I probably have like, you can kind of, in the light, I can see it, I'm like down to there. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this because not really somebody who struggles with sleep, but the stress and the calmness, and I absolutely love it. As soon as like I take my first sip, instantly I could just feel, you know, just like that weight of the day just kind of gone away. And I don't know if that's just all in my head, like a placebo effect, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. What I can tell you though, is the magnesium in this is going to help you sleep. If you have a struggle with sleeping, staying asleep, falling asleep, even honestly, waking up in the morning, try this. Let me know what you think. But let me explain. Magnesium helps also with what I said before, helps promote your muscles and nerves function properly in the anxiety and depression. But not only that, the magnesium is going to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up more refreshed, feeling rested and, you know, well rested, refreshed, and renewed almost. I'm going to show you really quick how I like to make mine just because I don't particularly like to drink something warm right here, right now in the summer. I like to add a little bit of ice to mine just to give it a little chill off the boiling water. For one, I'm not going to drink a boiling water. If you're someone who needs to unwind, de-stress, or even increase your magnesium or calcium or vitamin C intake, I highly, highly recommend this product. I do have an affiliate code for you guys. Feel free to use it or not use it, but it will save you 20% if you want to try this de-stress powder, or honestly, it works on any of their items on their website. You know, if you want to do any of their skincare, because they have amazing skincare, like it's officially my go-to skincare. If you guys want to try this or any of their other great products, you can use my code JessieMay20 to save 20% off your whole entire order. It also can be, like I said, used on any of their products online. What I really do also love their little tumblers. It doesn't just have to be for tea. It works great for making cold brew coffee because of the strainer, or if you're really not into, you know, much of the tea or the coffee life, it's great for making fruit infused water. Then this little container down here, that is great if you want to carry extra tea leaves, some supplements like vitamins or anything, or, you know, some little snacks so you get hungry throughout the day. What's also great is that it is double insulated. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little review and my take on the Teamiblends Restore. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and if you're going to check out this, go ahead and use my code. It is JessieMay20. Thank you guys, Teamiblends, for always supporting my channel and continuing to be a Teamiblends partner. Alright, I'm done kind of rambling. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Like I said before, make sure you give the video a thumbs up because you don't have no idea how much it does actually help me out tremendously. mess that whole thing up, I'm gonna leave it. But if you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking a link right here. Or if you want to just binge watch some content, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in the next. I don't know, check me out on TikTok. I'm more active over there. Bye!